Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. My name is Farah and I love to present to all of you about Batu Caves. Ladies and gentlemen, Batu Caves actually is the limestone hill with so many types of caves. If you know, Batu Caves only three types of caves here: the temple cave, the dark cave, and the gallery cave. That I will story a little information about it after this. First of all, Batu Cave actually as the shelter for the Aboriginal Malay during hunting, and then it was founded by the American naturalists as with the cave as because of the guano smell, and then it was populated by Indian trader Mr. K. Tambu Sami Pillay. Since that he saw the entrance of the cave is like a veil shape, and it is dedicated it to the Lord of Murugan.
Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 masuk.
So ladies and gentlemen, like we can see in this picture, this is the picture of celebrations of Thaipusam by Indian community in Malaysia, and also from the tourists from the international. So there are so many types of activities that they do together, especially like this girl and this man. So they are actually holding something on their head. They bring the bowl of cow milk, and then the bowl that we never know, but maybe that she passed her exam, who knows? And then this guy, maybe he want to cure his disease such as cancer, heart attack, or whatever. So ladies and gentlemen, for your information, we have around 272 stairs for those who want to climb up there and see the temple cave. So you have to keep your energy first before you go upstairs. In this temple cave, you can see the celebration, especially for the Indian community, to present to their Lord. So ladies and gentlemen, we cannot see in this picture, but actually the stairs in the Batu Cave is very colorful. We can see it from far, and this is one of the attractions in Batu Cave. The other side of the Batu Caves, you can see at the left side, that one is we call the dark cave. For those who like to go in the dark cave, they need a nature guide in order to guide them to be there. And also, this is important. We don't want them to lose, and the dark is so dangerous if you go alone. So ladies and gentlemen, the other cave that we have here in Batu Cave is the gallery cave. This is the story about the information about the Mahabharata and Ramayana. The other one that you have, the special thing about Batu Cave, this is the statue. This statue actually is the Lord of Murugan statue, and around 42.7 meters above. For your information, this is the statue Lord of Murugan, the largest in the world. And then, for your information, there is about 2.5 million ringgit Malaysia to finish this statue, and around 300 liters of the gold painting color used for this statue. And then, for those who already climbed the stairs, if you get down, if you want to feel relaxed, you can go to the restaurants around the place. We have the very popular restaurants, the vegetarian restaurants, the number 10. That one you can have your meal, and then you can enjoy the environment here with Indian community. The other side of this place, we can see the shops that sells many types of the souvenirs, and then the accessories, and also the flowers. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go there, if you want to go to Batu Cave, it will take around 20 minutes only from Kuala Lumpur Central to Batu Caves by using the public transportations, that is commuter. So it is easy for you to go there, since that you don't want to any congestion on the road, so you can use the train. Ladies and gentlemen, this Batu Caves is one of the attractions that we have in Malaysia, and one of the activities for the city tour, especially for the tourists from international. So that is why, for those who never been here, you can bring especially your family members, children, to go here, just enjoy the environment and to experience themselves. So that's all about Batu Caves. Thank you.
Listen, you guys